Can iterators be reset in Python? Can I reset an iterator generator in Python? I am using iterator and would like to reset it to the beginning of the file.
I see many answers suggesting iterators.t, but that's ignoring one crucial warning in the docs for it. This itertool may require significant auxiliary storage, depending on how much temporary data needs to be stored. In general, if one iterator uses most or all of the data before another iterator starts, it is faster to use list instead of t. Basically, t is designed for those situations where two, or more, clones of one iterator, while getting out of sync with each other, don't do so by much. Rather, they stay in the same vicinity, a few items behind or ahead of each other. Not suitable for the aux problem of redo from the start. L equals list dictreader ... on the other hand is perfectly suitable, as long as the list of dicts can fit comfortably in memory. A new iterator from the start, very lightweight and low overhead, can be made at any time with iter_l, and used in part or in whole without affecting new or existing ones. Other access patterns are also easily available. As several answers rightly remarked, in the specific case of CSV you can also .seek0 the underlying file object, a rather special case. I'm not sure that's documented and guaranteed, though it does currently work. It would probably be worth considering only for truly huge CSV files, in which the list I recommend as the general approach would have too large a memory footprint.
If you have a CSV file named blah.csv that looks like, you know that you can open the file for reading, and create a dictreator with. Then, you will be able to get the next line with reader.next, which should output. Using it again will produce. However, at this point if you use blah.seek0, the next time you call reader.next you will get again. This seems to be the functionality you're looking for. I'm sure there are some tricks associated with this approach that I'm not aware of, however. And Brian suggested simply creating another dictreator. This won't work if your first reader is halfway through reading the file, as your new reader will have unexpected keys and values from wherever you are in the file.
No. Python's iterator protocol is very simple, and only provides one single method, .next or _next_, and no method to reset an iterator in general. The common pattern is to instead create a new iterator using the same procedure again. If you want to save off an iterator so that you can go back to its beginning, you may also fork the iterator by using iteratools.t.
Yes, if you use numpy.niter to build your iterator.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.